What is Bitcoin halving? Why it matters? All right, let's talk about one of the most anticipated and significant events in the crypto world, the Bitcoin halving. You might have heard about it, but what exactly is it and why does it matter so much? Today, we're going to break down this crucial concept in under 2 minutes. Bitcoin's scarcity. To understand the halving, you first need to know that Bitcoin has a finite supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity is a core part of its value proposition, much like gold. New Bitcoins are introduced into circulation through the process of mining. The halving event explained. The Bitcoin halving is a pre-programmed event that occurs approximately every 4 years or after every 210,000 blocks are mined. What happens? The reward that miners receive for verifying transactions, the block reward, is cut in half. For example, if miners were getting 6.25 Bitcoin per block, after a halving, they would only receive 3.125 Bitcoin. Why it matters. This event is critical because it directly impacts Bitcoin's supply. By reducing the rate at which new Bitcoins are generated, the halving makes Bitcoin even scarcer. Basic economics tells us that if demand remains constant or increases and supply is restricted, the price tends to go up. Historically, past halving events have been followed by significant bull runs, though past performance is never a guarantee of future results. It's a key part of Bitcoin's deflationary design. So, the Bitcoin halving is a crucial pre-programmed event that reduces the supply of new Bitcoin, making it scarcer over time. It's a fundamental part of its economic model that affects everyone in the crypto space. If you found this explanation helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more essential crypto insights. What are your predictions for the next halving? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.